Hello friends, I am Lina and today I am going to share stuffed vegetable bun recipe. This delicious soft and homemade pav are stuffed with spicy vegetable mix and baked till it gets nice crust on top. It can be served along with soup or salad or as an appetizer. So let's begin. Here I am taking 1 by 4th cup of warm milk and add 1 tablespoon of sugar and add 3 by 4 tablespoon of active dry yeast and mix it well and cover it and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This step is very important. If your yeast doesn't form and not activated well, then discard the yeast and start the process again. And here yeast is activated well. You can see here the yeast is little bubbly on top and it's foamy. In the bowl, add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and add salt as per your taste and add 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and add 1 by 4th cup of lukewarm water. Today I am kneading the dough using a stand mixture, but if you don't have, you can knead the dough using your hand and mix the dough on speed 2 first. Once it's mixed well, then add the yeast mixture. Knead the dough on speed 2 to 4 first, then increase the speed slowly. If the dough is still dry and it won't combine, then you can add 2 tablespoons of more water if needed and knead the dough until it gets unsticky and smooth. If you are kneading the dough using your hand, then use the dust flour while kneading the dough if needed and knead until it's unsticky. So here you can see our soft and unsticky dough is ready. Today I am proofing the dough in my instant pot. So apply some oil into the bowl and onto the dough so it won't dry. You can also proof the dough in any warm place for 1 to 2 hours or until it's get double. And close the lid and turn the valve on ceiling side and click on yogurt button and put the timer for 1 hour. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing. Add 2 teaspoons of oil into the pan. Once oil is hot, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds and add 1 by 4th cup of finely chopped onion and cook the onion on medium flame for 1 to 2 minutes or until it gets translucent and add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic and cook the garlic for 30 seconds. For the stuffing, you can use any vegetables of your choice and add 1 finely chopped carrots and add 1 by 4th cup of finely chopped green bell pepper or capsicum and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped green beans and cook the vegetables for 3 to 4 minutes or until it gets 80% cooked and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 by 4 teaspoon of garam masala and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and mix it well and add 1 medium size of boiled potato and add 1 by 4th cup of grated paneer. Mix everything well and add half teaspoon of amchur powder and add salt as per your taste and bring them into the plate. If you want, you can add the cheese once it's cooled down and add chopped cilantro and let it cool down completely. So let's check the dough. The dough is proofed well. Punch the dough slightly and knead it for a minute and divide the dough into 7 to 8 portions. Take the dough and make it flat and fill with 2 tablespoons of vegetable stuffing. Bring the edges together and pinching with your fingers and smoothen the ball to give an even look and put it into the greased baking tray. Same way, make all the balls and cover the tray with plastic wrap or towel and let it put for second proofing for 25 to 30 minutes. It depends on the weather. It took me 25 minutes for second rising. Apply some milk on top of the pav and sprinkle some black and white sesame seed on each of the dough ball and bake them on preheated oven 180 °C for 7 to 20 minutes. And here soft and delicious stuffed pav is ready. Apply some butter on top of the pav to get a shiny look and cover them with wet napkin or wet cloth to get a pav softer and rest for 10 to 15 minutes. If you want to make a pav without a stuffing, I have a separated video for that I give the link on my description box, so check it out. The delicious soft and golden vegetable stuffed masala bun is ready. Let me cut the pav so you can see how it looks from the inside. Serve the pav with mayonnaise during a snack or dinner or as an appetizer. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Enjoy!